Sloss drone derby time. Ready to send it?
Yep.
Alright, Austin Inspired is up next, everybody. He's up! 131 on the clock. Austin Inspired. One hell of a pilot. Getting it ready. Matty Trippy. Oh shit, right off the bat. Matty Trippy. That is one of the craziest tricks that I've seen, and this dude right here. Ace it.
Whoa! Let's go!
Smooth recovery. Get it, my dude. Figuring it out as he goes. That is the definition of freestyle, folks. Proxy freestyle to the max. Austin Inspired knows how to get it done. He is cooking through that back alley right now.
Oh, Dolphin!
Austin knows what he's doing! He's feeling good. He's ripping his back. You got 25 seconds left.
Hello.
Sitting up by the silos. Oh, I see what you're up to. I see what you're up to! 14 seconds. You got 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left.
Bring it back.
Is he going for the gusto or is he bringing it back?
3, 2, 1.